Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another quick and easy meals. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your families are doing well. My name is Jean, and the name of this channel is Jean Home Decor and More. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning visitor or subscriber, big shout out to you guys for stopping by and watching another video. So today, guys, I am doing something a little bit different. I am going to make some immunity shots, and what these are orange, lemon, and ginger shots. Now some of you, a lot of you probably have tried these. So I haven't tried. Most of the time, if I do something like this, I just go to, a health food store and I'll just buy it, pre-made. But this time I'm gonna make one, and I got these little jars to put them in, and I hope 4 of these is enough. I think that this recipe might make more than 4, but anyway, we'll see. So I'm gonna peel my oranges, peel 2 lemons. I have my ginger here, I have my turmeric here, I have some cayenne pepper so that it kind of absorbs some of the other ingredients like the ginger and everything. And you're supposed to peel 2 lemons. So I have one, and I have a half of one, but I have some real lemon juice, so that's going to kind of make up the difference. And then they want you to use some honey or maple syrup, and I don't have any maple syrup, but I do have some Mrs. Butterworth's extra buttery. I don't think that I'm going to, at first I started to use that, but then I was thinking that's stupid. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna see if I can, I think I probably can drink it without using this. I don't need that. So we're gonna push that to the side. So I'm going to peel these. I'm gonna put them in my blender. And I'm gonna tell you what the recipe is calling for. It's calling for 2 oranges peeled, 2 lemons peeled, 1 to 2 knobs of fresh ginger, ginger root. And then you're supposed to use 1 to 4 teaspoons of turmeric, which I have that here. And then they want you to use a pinch of black pepper to aid in the turmeric absorption. And then a pinch of cayenne pepper just to add a little heat on it, right? So then they said 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. And I didn't have any honey. I forgot to buy it. So anyway, I don't actually always need the sweets. Like, I don't drink juice. Very rarely do I drink juice. I drink a lot of water. So I probably can get away, like I said, I don't need that. So I'm gonna go ahead and because I'm having company over. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and peel these, blend them up in the blender. I'm gonna put the description in the description box below so that you guys can, make it for yourself if you would like to. And I'll bring you back for the reveal. But before I do that, please stop by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And her name for this channel is Simply Grace Lifestyle and Jennifer at Home. They are my co-collaborators for quick and easy meals. Stop by their channels and see what they have cooking up for you today, baking up for you today, or whatever today for quick and easy meals, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so here's the fruit cut up and the ginger. And as you can see, I took out some of the seeds from the lemon. I'm gonna add the turmeric and a little pinch of pepper and cayenne. Okay, so I added all the fruit to the blender. So this recipe calls for a cup of water, so I'm using filtered water. And now I'm going to add in the turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. All right, so now I'm using a pinch of cayenne. Now, a pinch of cayenne means different things to different people. So I'm just gonna, is that a pinch? I would say that's a pinch. Maybe a little more than a pinch, we'll see. Okay, now they're asking for, the recipe calls for a pinch of black pepper. So I'm not going to do too much of that because that's going to literally be a pinch. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this up. Okay, I was trying to check the consistency. So we want to do this a little more so we can get that ginger all nice and liquefied. Okay guys, I had to strain it a little bit just because of the ginger pieces in it. Because we want a nice, we want it liquidy and we don't want any pulp of any type in it. So I'm just straining it. And I did taste it, and it does have a little kick in it with the cayenne, but I like that. But as you can see here on the top, it does have some pulp. So we want to get that out. Okay, so there we go. All right, so now I'm going to pour it in these bottles. So I have 4 little healthy immune shots. Now I have a little bit left over, but this will carry me for 4 days. And I know it's summertime, this is perfect for winter, to keep fall and spring, I guess, to keep colds at bay. But I just wanted to, sometimes drink a little healthy immune shot. Excuse me, I don't always eat breakfast. So I thought this was a nice alternative. I do drink coffee. So I thought this was a nice alternative, in lieu of breakfast. So this is my first time making this. It actually is good but you have to like oranges and lemon. And then, like I said, I have ginger in here and some turmeric, kind of like a cold tea. So it does have a slight amount of pulp, but I got rid of most of it. And so this is pretty good. So I hope you like my orange, lemon, ginger health shots or immunity shots. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my growing channel. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Okay? Bye-bye.